Well, hello there, Twitch. Welcome back to another Mixed Reality Development Friday. What's up, Duke of Soft? You are the first one in. Yeah, I'm getting started a bit late today. I had another meeting I was coming from. So if anybody was waiting around, apologies. How's your week gone? How's everything? Yeah, I know. I've been busy. I know y'all have been busy out there too. Yeah, you were in the middle of a deployment, I think, right, Duke of Soft? You guys all wrapped up with that? Let me get my stuff kind of going here. Yeah, we, as usual. What's up, Cypher? Howdy, welcome. Yeah, we'll start off again with a demo of kind of where we're at. Yeah, that's right. So we're going to be focusing, I think, a little bit more on the AI side of things today, since that's kind of where a lot of the interest and value, I think, is going to be in our chat application. You fixed your VPN issue. Congrats, man. Huzzah. I am so happy that you fixed it. That's fantastic. 10 the XR hack? No, I am not. I'm kind of reducing the number of conferences and stuff I'm going to this year. Last year I went to a whole bunch and found only medium value in it. Let me turn down the chimney just a shade. There we go. Yeah, I found only medium value in the conferences, so probably dialing it back. Possibly once we get a little bit more off the ground, we'll get some stuff going. Could win Funster meta? Yeah, for sure, it's true. But, I mean, there's also, that's only like one team is going to win, right? And everyone else just walks away with, having had fun. Which is like what, I attended their XR hack in the past, and it was fun. I made some new contacts, some new friends, got some experience building for the meta platform. But yeah, at the end of the day, I was like, cool. It was fun and interesting, but I've got some other stuff that I could probably be working on instead. So that's kind of what we're doing. Yeah, the last time I went, we built an app that we called Mr. GPT, MRGPT. So it was the idea that you just say the thing you want to see and it appears in front of you. We did not win, unfortunately. We didn't even make it as a finalist. It was all just like mixed reality games that were winners or finalists that year. So I guess that was just the thing they wanted to see versus more like application, I guess, focused apps. But I still thought the idea was rad, and still think that would be a really cool use case. I mean, definitely the generative like text to 3D stuff is not super high quality right now, but I still think it looks really cool when you do it. Yeah, so right now, I guess I can show you guys kind of the current state of where we're at, and even actually provide some links. Let's go to okay. Actually, let me see if I could pull up the...
Hello, nice to meet you.
Oh gosh.
I will be conducting the interview today so that we can create a deep soul representation of you based on your responses. If you're ready to get started, please tell me about the person for whom we will create a deep soul representation. Will it be the likeness of you or someone else, and who will be interacting with this version?
I think I did. I probably did demo it on stream before. Because I can do the live demo from the Quest Pro headset, which is definitely not set up right now. It's tucked away on the shelf again. It's the Vision Pro that's kind of been getting all the love recently. But there's there's definitely videos, and I'll see if I can share. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know where I put it, or if somebody else uploaded it. I do not remember. Is it on my YouTube? Hold on a sec, guys. Did I put it here? No, I don't think so. Darn. Okay, well, I'll have to find it later, because it's not on my YouTube. It's probably on one of the other people's. Somebody else, I think, uploaded it, not me. Yeah, so the thing that I was planning on showing is, I mean, you just heard the voiceover talking at the same time, but, oh, there we go. Let me grab my, oops. I want my chat window. Oh, why is this? Oh yeah, hold on. I cropped this window a whole bunch for doing other stuff, so I'm gonna resize stuff. Oh, this one's actually just on top. There we go, that's better. Okay. Unity, that's what we're used to seeing. And where we deployed it. So yeah, you heard the narrator earlier talking about creating a deep soul representation. So, I'm still working on creating some updates for this, and I'll push some later. But if y'all want to talk with it, you can. There's the link. It's live. Feel free to use up all my compute credits. It's all good. Yeah, the idea is that this biographer agent interviews you, gets a sense for the person that you want to create a deep soul representation of. That's what I'm calling these avatars. And then we can export the whole conversation, export just the model card, and we're working on updating this so that it works a little more robustly, and that I want to add another little button that is just interact or try it, maybe something like that, and then it'll switch whether you're talking to the biographer or to the character, to the deep soul. So that's where it is. That's online. In Unity, we've got that set up here. This is my AI agent project, and I think I built this, but I'm not totally convinced. So let me do that. I want to build it real quick. We made a couple updates to what is currently online. I'll show you what we did. Oh yeah, cool. I think it was built. That seemed very, very fast. So in ChatGPT, in this chunk of code, let me check. Okay, cool. So I gave it a little bit more instruction for how to build that model card so that I don't have to do manual post-processing on it, and make that process a little more automatic. I would love to just use the straight-up JSON mode that ChatGPT APIs have, but I made a to-do here. The ChatGPT library that I'm using doesn't currently have the ability to set that as a parameter in the completion response request, or the chat completion request, sorry. So yeah, I just have to describe to ChatGPT via the system commands that I want valid JSON, and it works. It gave me valid JSON, but it needed a bit of cleanup. So we're about to see if this actually makes a difference. So let's do that test now. This So let's go to my dev folder. Solipsist. Can't spell. And this is my AI agent Unity project. Build WebGL. Cool, and let's run the local. So npx https serve index HTML. All right, so let's go try that. Create a new window. Let's go to, yeah. Continue. I accept this unsafe certificate because I
Hello,
signed it
nice to
myself.
meet you. I will be conducting the interview today so that we can create a deep soul representation of you based on your responses. If you're ready to get started, please tell me about the person for whom we will create a deep soul representation.
Cool.
Will it be the likeness of you or someone else, and who will be interacting with this version?
Cool. Who should we do it for? I guess I'll do it for myself. Sure, I'll do it again. That's easiest. Just I'll give it a few. This will be for myself, and it's going to interact with Twitch chat. Also, in the to-do is making it so that the voice works in the web. Like if we go over here, this was still an issue, the no audio downloading aborted thing. I think when I'd asked ChatGPT about this, its suggestion was to create a JavaScript function that handles the audio playback instead, and then I can just call that from Unity. So that I think we'll do later, but not a huge deal right now. Yeah, what's significant? It's some significant events. So let's see. Well, I guess the biggest thing is I started this project called Deep Soul to create digital twins of humans so that they can carry on their memories and legacies after they've passed away. Hey, wow, it even created the right capitalization. That must be because it's in the prompt. Oh yeah. Amazing. All right, cool. That one sentence, good enough. Let's download and see if we get it. What's going to happen? I don't know what's happening. Oh, it did work. Cool, that just took a while. I guess I should add some status. Here we go. Gonna take notes on things I need to do. So, download. Why does audio keep cutting out too? What's going on with the internet today? I think there might just be, there's like internet stuff going on. There's currently like a huge thunderstorm that is like going through Montreal. It was crazy, rainy, yeah, thundery earlier. Now it's sunny, but I don't know if that took anything down along the way. And it's supposed to start up again at 3 Eastern time, which is in like only a few minutes. So things might get crazier again with storminess soon. May or may not maintain power and internet throughout this whole thing. Who knows? We'll see, I guess. And if that does happen, then apologies in advance. Caught in the middle of a railroad track. Looked around, there's no turning back. Nice, Dukasoft. What's that from? Is that, I don't know that song. That sounds like lyrics. I like that though. Pointer stringify. Okay, well that didn't. Okay, that's just a warning. Wow, really? Yeah, really. Definitely really. Are those... You just off the top of your dome? Oh, that is... No, it's Thunderstruck. Oh, man, you know, I never really listened to the lyrics of Thunderstruck that closely. I was gonna guess that based on the thunder in parentheses. But yeah, I was like, is it... I don't know. Now I learned something new. The official Thunderstruck lyrics. Thank you for that. At least you knew it, yeah. Thunder! I know the riff. Thunder! The riff is the important part, let's be honest. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on a sec, you guys. Let's go look at this JSON file. Oh, I should tell it. Oh, this looks better. This does look better. Did it follow what I said? I think it did. Look at that. It did a good job. ChatGPT, you're just a peach. You are just a peach. It's doing a great job. Ah, dude. I could even... So I probably don't even need ChatGPT for this part, but I should get this back as a string. And then just do like a search replace in here. Assistant. And what is the other one? Is user? User, yeah. I should replace it. Swap it. So that user is assistant. Wait. User is char name, and assistant is user. Okay. And specifically in that order. Oh, hold on a sec. I was taking a note, I was in the middle of it, and then you guys distracted me with your Thunderstruck lyrics. Takes a while. Needs status indicator. Okay, and then the other thing is search replace. Find, replace. Oh my gosh, the internet is just, it's dying today. Maybe it could just be this stream, I don't know. Hold on, I'm going to check. What does OBS say for bandwidth health? Oh, that says it's okay. It could just be this YouTube stream. Dunno. User to char and assistant to user. That's what I want. You haven't dropped a frame for us, so I'll blame YouTube. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, it showed my stream health is still good. It just seems to be this YouTube stream is funk A today. Okay, well, let's go back to... I've got some offline tunes. Let's do that. We'll go play some offline tunes. Where's my... Cool, I got lots of stuff in here. Let's go random. Cool, there we go. There's the line in your chat. There sure is. Rar. How's it going, One Lion? Good to see you today. How was your stream? It's okay, he's got lion feet. Just make sure you get your shout out. Yeah, missed you guys today. I was on another call. Okay, let's see, because I think we can just do that string replace right in here, and I'll start working on that. Well, you tell me what you guys were talking about. Here we go. Okay, so oh god. This is the generate, so save JSON file. Okay. Lion. It was fun talking about it. When is too soon to adopt new tech and other tech conversations? Aww, heart. I have a great time talking to you guys. I love popping in on the community streams and doing the voice chat with y'all too. It's super fun. Yeah, I love you over here too. Also, never obligated to pop in, but I do love to see you. So what was the consensus? Anybody have some strong opinions? What is too early to adopt new tech? Okay, what do we get? Message content. Okay, and then save to file, message.content. All right, awesome. So here we go. This is where we're going to do the replace. Replace username strings. Okay. And like I said, we have to do it in that order. In the scenario, I should set something in scenario 2. I should parse this as JSON, right? There's JSON utils. You see everyone on LinkedIn turning into said new tech experts. It's too early. Yeah, for sure. All of the Web3 crypto experts who are now AI experts. I banned today. I probably shouldn't, but can't help it. Oh no. There's some conversation about how it often consent. Is this tech going to be adopted, or is this just going to get dropped? Ha, yeah. Yeah, for sure. And Gen AI is, definitely, I think we're starting to hear people talk about how we're getting to, like, peak Gen AI at this point. And it does kind of feel like that. Like, every time there's new tech, it's like everybody just immediately forgets that the Gartner hype cycle is a thing. And they're like, this tech is going to be the hottest new thing forever. So it doesn't get popular enough, so we do need early adopters sometimes. Yeah, absolutely. And it's like, there's a lot, you just get like, literally just that huge spike of hype, like, the tech is amazing, like, everybody do everything with it. And then, a lot of people try to do stuff with it, and it turns out that a lot of what's happening is, like, not super valuable, and it falls off, and then you get all of the anti-hype of, like, the metaverse is dead, no one will ever use XR technology, it's terrible. And it's like, well, no, there's still uses for the technology, right? Like, it's around for a reason. It's just, yeah, people love hype. People love, extremes. It's either like the hottest new thing since sliced bread, or it's horrible, it's gonna die. Wearing my metaverse shirt today. Didn't realize I put it on. Nice. Perfect. Good time for a metaverse conversation. I don't remember, is it branded? Did you get it? Is it like from a company? Here, I'll do that after. Parse JSON. Hackathons and sponsoring them is key for adoption of new tech. Yeah, absolutely. No, just says meet me in the metaverse. Ah, cool. Hackathons are definitely, I think, a really good use of time and money for folks. Getting a lot of people together who are just passionate about it to try and figure out what works and then what doesn't. Definitely very useful. I like hackathons a lot. What's the... which I'm getting sadder and sadder about, because I don't want to meet in the thing that is being called the metaverse. Yeah, I know, right? It's like, yeah, I kind of feel like I don't either. Like I'm kind of happy. I'm like, yeah, the metaverse is dead, and I'm glad for it. Because the metaverse, the metaverse in air quotes, big ol' air quotes, definitely seems like that was just kind of all hype. Like even the word itself, right? Like you said, the term is super vague. It's like, what does it even mean? And as far as I can tell, it just means MMO, which is cool. I mean, that's cool. MMOs are cool. I like MMOs. It just, you want them to be sort of specific for a thing. So I think that's kind of where we ended up landing, is like Roblox is a metaverse and Fortnite is a metaverse, and those two things together are metaverses. Which, okay, that's fine, I guess, if you want to use the metaverse term for that. That's great. I guess in which case the metaverse isn't really dead, because Roblox and Fortnite are still doing bonkers. Well, calling them metaverse. Yeah. Which, okay, so it seems like that's kind of where we landed. Like, Roblox and Fortnite are the metaverse. Decentraland and Verbella, I think, are kind of dead, because they didn't really offer value, like a good user experience. Those things seemed kind of like cash grabs. Like, hey, people want to be in a virtual world. Like, let's build the lowest cost virtual world where we can have multiple users, and that's it. And it's like, that's cool, guys, but like, Second Life has been around for a while, Like, yeah, I saw that IKEA is paying virtual employees. I think the employees are real. They're just, they're in the virtual IKEA in Roblox. Yeah, GTA RP for sure. Yeah, it definitely seems like, yeah, if you want to be in Roblox and have your brand, your company show up in Roblox and pay people to be in Roblox, seems cool. That's fine. I dig that. I support that, like, that's, as somebody who came from the game industry, I think that's rad. Like, Roblox is doing it, man. They built just a huge user-generated content-based MMO is what they did. And it's working out great for them. It sounds like a Black Mirror episode. Yeah, absolutely. I feel like a lot of what we're doing nowadays is just straight out of Black Mirror. Which, is kind of, that was the whole point of Black Mirror, right? Is to do those things that are, like, the technology is basically able to do right now, and show people what is the kind of, like, societal implications for some of this technology. And yeah, some of it is cool. Like, there is a lot of cool technology in Black Mirror. It's just, like, the point of the show, I think, is to get people to think about what are the implications of this technology and how we, as a society, tackle some of these hard problems around it. Because, as we've seen in the past, like, it's hard to put the genie back in the bottle with a lot of this stuff. Like, once the tech has been created, it's out there. Surgeon performing surgery wearing AVP and accessory and accessing doc's data while operating yeah, I think that's really cool, really useful. It does seem weird to me to see them wearing an AVP while performing surgery, because on the HoloLens team, we got a lot of pushback from medical associations on wearing the HoloLens during surgical procedures because the lenses introduced some amount of distortion, which you don't want when you're performing surgeries. You want to have clear optics to the thing that you're putting your knife on. And with the AVP, I feel like there's even more distortion between what you see and the reality. Like, the pass-through is pretty good, but it's, I would say, worse than HoloLens even 1 in terms of the pass-through optics. Like, yeah, HoloLens introduces some distortion through, plastic lenses, but yeah, not as much as camera distortion. So it's cool that they are adopting that technology, because I do think it's super useful, but just a little weird that it's now, AVP, that's the thing that is getting adoption. But I don't know, who am I to judge? It's just Apple is cooler, I guess. Yeah, well, I wouldn't say no compromise on color exactly. But yeah, the zero latency for real-world pass-through, absolutely. It definitely mutes color. It's kind of like wearing sunglasses. Yeah, only for the real-world thing. Yeah, for sure. When you're talking about digital content, there's a lot of compromise on color. Just want to make apps in a device-agnostic way so you can use them whatever gets adopted. Yeah, 100%. And I think that's most developers. Most people, I think, don't like focusing on a single platform. People want to be in as many places as possible. Yeah, virtual objects had rainbows. Yeah, the rainbowing effect was real bad. And then, like, the color distortion at the edges of the displays was also real bad. And there was also, like, really bad consistency problems across devices. So you'd get, like, weird band-aiding on some of them, and yeah, it was not super. Oh my god, I'm talking a lot today. And I really wanted to get a VW ID7 because it had an actual AR HUD that tracks the road and other things. It got delayed in coming to the US. That's too bad. There's been some other cars that have this sort of AR HUDs too, isn't there? I thought, like, Mercedes was doing something. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT because I don't remember off the top of my head what. Where's my .net? Oh, gotcha. It was an actual AR. Oh, interesting. I haven't seen the VW, the ID7 HUD, what that looks like. But it was real. It was like real stereoscopic AR. Could be wrong. VW was the only one I saw that has that. Very cool. Where are we? This is just... Okay, I'm asking about schemas. I'm just going to create a chat. New chat. Actually, let's go GPTs. And I'm going to ask it about .NET. What do we got? .NET Copilot? Sure, sounds good. Let's go. Okay, how do I parse a string to JSON in C#? Give me it's a common task. Yes, thanks. I just don't remember the... There we go. System text.json. And it's JSON serializer.deserialize. Perfect. System.text.json, like that. lowercase. Don't want to use Newtonsoft? Newtonsoft requires pulling in an extra package to work with Unity. And I think like the built-in .NET one does. I mean, it's fine. Like, no, I don't need anything fancy. Just straight deserialized to a JSON object. Yeah. And what did I say? JSON deserializer. JSON serializer. Dot deserialize to. Oh yeah, it needs an it needs to be an object, right? To a person. How do I create C# to match the structure? Okay, well let's have it do that then. I'm gonna get ChatGPT to do that. Okay, create a C# class. Oh my god. To match this JSON schema. And then I will upload it. If I remember where I put it. Downloads. Oh yeah, wait for Windows to index 200 files. Maybe if I sort by type, let's look for JSON files. Still thinking. Takes it. This is a really hard problem. Sorting 200 files. Definitely a problem that takes a minute. Okay, let's go find JSON. No, I didn't put it there. Car cards. Where the hell did I put that schema? Ah, there it is. Chart card schema. Good. It's around. Great. Copy. Man, that's awesome. I love that. Let's create a new class. This is the right assembly. Okay. Scripts. Okay, this is called charcard.cs. Wait, I already have a character card.cs. Oh, okay, I already started doing this. That's great. This should be card. Cool. Well, we'll go through and replace. What are you complaining about, data? Oh, because they put this inside here. Yeah, that doesn't work. I gotta move that out. I don't think you can nest it like that. If you're naming it that way. Right? That's what I thought. Bad ChatGPT. You were almost perfect. And then I just have to mark all these to be serializable. X. Okay. Super. Cool. Character card. Specs, version data. Cool, and then this supports, V1 also, which was a to-do, so amazing. We got a bunch of stuff kind of just for free by having ChatGPT do it for us. I love that. Great. And then, so let's remove... Let's just I can probably just delete this. Char card. Great. Spec version. Does this get written out to... Where's that schema? What does that look like? Okay. Alright. I think that should have the same name though, right? Here, maybe I'll just tell it to do it again. Contain properties of... Okay. I don't think that matches. What's the casing? What do we call that? What's the nested depth clutch? Yeah, okay, great. Don't the names have to match exactly? Shouldn't they be all lowercase with words mated by underscore? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll ask it. You're right. Okay, no, I am right. Okay. Oh, snake case is what they call it. Okay. Here's the revised code. You didn't... Dude. Bro. ChatGPT. Oh, no, they just... That's... Oh my god. Okay. Thanks. Ugly. I have to argue with it to give me better code. Instead of name tributes. Much better. Thank you. Great. Okay, copy that. And that might actually work with those things in line because of how they named, how they did the other stuff. Let's do this. Let's go A, B. Yeah. Cool. I think... And that actually does work putting it inside. And let's make everything... This is char card. Make everything serializable. Serializable. All of these classes. Like so. Nice. There we go. Just had to argue with it a little bit. Okay, we're good though. Data equals new. Oops. Chart card dot data. Sweet. Okay, where are we? Oh. Okay, deserialize. We can deserialize to chart card. Amazing. Shot content. Deserialize needs a JSON reader. Okay. Is that what you told me earlier? JSON string, deserialize. You told me I can just use that as a string. That's not true? New JSON reader. Message.content. Can I just do that? Huh. Okay. Like, yes, this is a very common thing to do. Why is it every damn time common things are just cannot convert from string to Newtonsoft? Okay, it's trying to use Newtonsoft. Oh, okay, that it added a reference to that. That's why, I guess. Serializer. Hey. So let's go back. JSON serializer inaccessible due to, what does it say? Its protection level. Oh, sad face. Oh, that's serialization. Thank you. That'll probably do the trick. Using? Okay. No. What are you doing? Seriously? I thought I got that automatically, but it may be the case that I need to add another assembly reference even for the .NET JSON libraries in Unity 2. I'm going to add a Unity GPT. GPTs. Unity. Sure. Okay, how do I deserialize JSON in a Unity C# script? JSON utility class, which is built into .NET. which is built into Unity. Okay. Yeah, so I want to use JSON example, JSON utility from JSON. Okay, let's use that one then. Delete that stuff. Get out of here, .NET. Why are there so many JSON libraries, damn it? Can't there just be a standard JSON library? Oh my god. JSON utility from JSON. Utility from JSON. How about that? Great, that's the one. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm gonna have a char card object. So var char card equals that. Then we can go replace those strings. Then so char card dot message example dot replace, and that's going to give me, that's not in place, that's going to return a string. Okay, so I've got to go char card dot message example equals that dot replace. And what did we say we're doing first? We got to do user is char user with char. Great. Dot replace. What was the other one? Assistant. Whoa. Need quotes first with user. Okay. Save. Cool. And then save to file. Char card dot. Actually, let's go. I think I gotta go JSON utility dot to no from no. Wait. Wait, why is the, hold on now. Now I'm confused. To JSON, oh, because it's object. It's the object. It's the object. So I want to go, yeah, so I'm going to reserialize that. So to JSON, the char card. Great. That looks like what I want. Save to file. File prefix. Let's add an optional parameter, which is the file suffix. Oops. String file suffix equals txt. File suffix. Great. Now I should get a real JSON file. Where am I? Where is my ChatGPT? Okay. Oh, it was in the same file. Okay. Got you. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's go try it out. Alrighty. I'm gonna just remove this config here for a sec so we're not generating a bunch of voice and burning through those credits. Oh, what's this? Load character card. CC5, not set. New. What's complaining about? Oh, this .config. Okay, gotcha. That's expected then. Okay, so it's not going to give us that first one. That's fine. Let's just say I want to create a Deep Soul avatar for myself. Send. ChatGPT should still work, though. It should still give me a response. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it did. This is not what I was expecting. Okay, I guess I should add. This is that's config. Okay. That's fine then. Let's go. I'm going to create just a thing here. Oh. So I can say, I can turn that on and off while streaming. Serialize fields. Maybe I'll put it at the top. Enable, just to like enable private bool. Enable TTS. Cool. Great. There we go. Because it's private, so it goes at the top. That's my style, and I'm sticking to it. Then config, generate and stream audio. If not, enable TTS. Return. Oh, this is an IEnumerator, so I want to yield break. Yield break. Great. I think that's that. So that'll just skip the whole request in that case. Perfect. That seems good. Okay, here we go. Enable TTS. That's off. Maybe I'll default it to true. There we go. Just for future use, and then I'll have to toggle it off here. Cool. It's already off. Play. What you talking about, Willis? I think something else is broken then, in that case. Load character card. Okay. Oh, I guess here it failed to parse. That seems likely. Okay. So, what happened? Let's turn on debugging, and let's take a look at what we're getting in there. I don't know what is happening right now. Character card. See, are we using character card anywhere still? Because that might be a thing. Character card. Oh yeah, okay. I want to replace this everywhere, probably. ChatGPT, chart, card. Oh, this says debug. Chart card.data. Okay, I guess that was it for where I was using the old character card stuff. Okay, now we're good here. Let's attach to Unity. And let's see what was going wrong. Where'd my breakpoint window go? Windows, breakpoints. Be down here. Thanks. Great. Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay, so that failed to deserialize. You come here, you. How do I want you JSON visualizer. Okay. Okay, so something isn't lining up. Let's take a look. Name, description, create a comment, personality, first message, avatar, chats, message example, scenario, create dates, talkativeness, creator, tags, fave, spec version, the data class, okay, name, description, personality, scenario, first message, example, creator note, system prompt, post history instructions, tags, creator, character version, alternate greetings, and then extensions. Again, we have talkativeness. We have fave. We've got world. We've got depth prompt. Prompt, depth, role. I wonder if it's because we have, I think it's talkativeness. I think talkativeness should be a string, it looks like. And depth, I'm going to make an integer. Talkativeness. String. Okay. That looks like the inconsistencies, so let's give that a shot. Oh, that's still right. Stopping. Okay, it still didn't like that. Okay, it's failing to deserialize. Alright. Oh, where's this one? JSON utility dot to JSON. Wait. What character card? I said from JSON. From JSON is failing to serialize. How can I get an error block? Yeah, I know. The field names are case sensitive. Yes, that's why we had to go through and make you change it. Referring to a small mistake, yeah. But yes, we know. Debug logs. The debug logs is from JSON string before deserialization is after. Let's try catch. If yourself doesn't throw exceptions for errors, you can catch other version issues. Yeah, okay. So that's not that helpful. Here, I guess what we can do is we said, okay, we created here's our debug, our test JSON. Why don't I go save that, save to file, content, test JSON, file prefix, test JSON. Call it JSON. Okay. Cool. And we can take a look at that. And then let's also go var test object equals, let's try deserializing it just straight away. JSON utility dot from JSON, and that's our test JSON string. Oh, from JSON, that's a chart card. Okay, here we go. We got some stuff to try. Let's go. Okay, rebuild, attach to Unity, and then let's see. Is that going to tell me where it's going? Let's do this. Let's do this. Debug.log. What are we? ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Saved. File. File path. Okay. There we go. Then I can go find that file later too, and we can see what's in it. Okay, did I already attach? I did. Great. Hey, so far we're okay on the storm, guys. I was worried it was going to be crazy during the stream, but we seem okay. Okay, var JSON car. Hey, there's a good open-ended question. Do y'all say char or car for this 4-letter string. How do y'all pronounce it? First way. Char? Yeah, ditto. I do char. But I've definitely met people that say car. And that weirds me out. Though when it comes to GIF versus GIF, I can kind of go either way. Like, tomato, tomato. Interesting. So this... So... 2JSON isn't working either. That's interesting. Found myself using both. It's weird to me. Yeah, it's kind of... Yeah, it's interesting. Same with the other G word, the Gibbs versus Jibs. It's the same question. Though I feel like with that one, I usually say... Actually, I don't know. I go both ways. I was going to say Gibbs, but I do go both ways. This is GIF. GIF, yeah. I get you, Cypher. I'm picking up what you're putting down. What am I missing? Do I need to... Okay. What I'm thinking. Do I need to add serializable to every individual field? I think I might. That's serializable. Thanks. Unga. So yeah, this Sims hunger noise. I know, that'd be too many serialized fields, right? But what am I missing? Because 2JSON isn't working either. Yeah, what you eating, Lion? Got 2JSON. Nothing, just hungry. Oh no. Well, maybe just order in. Check out what's on special on Uber Eats or something. Maybe you've got some coupons. First, I'm trying to concentrate on the code. Yeah, lack of chemical energy will do that for sure. That and caffeine. Lack of caffeine. Got to make sure you're all topped up on all of those things. That is failing to. Let's see if it's got suggestions. Make sure that your class is marked system.serializable. It is. And that all fields you want to serialize are public. I have a thought. Hold on. Okay, no, these classes are labeled public too. That was my thought. And serializable here is system serialize. If you have nested classes or collection, make sure they are also marked as system serializable. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna make this stuff not nested. I think this is just looking a little bit too clever. So I'm going to take this stuff out and then see if that makes a difference. Because it might. I don't want to get too cute with serialization. Let's not give it a fancy name. It's just a JSON object. Okay. Let's try that. I'm going to rename this stuff char data, char extensions, could always put it into a namespace or something too, but just do this for now. Groovy! Alright. How about that? Oh. Save that file again? Oh, okay. I didn't press the save button. Remember to save your code, kids. There we go. Okay, build those scripts. Good. Attach. Still not looking good. What the balls? Okay, so that didn't do it. We think saving file would have become a muscle memory after all these years, but now some user brains doesn't want to do that. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, usually I'm pressing Control S all the time, but every once in a while, I forget. I get talking, I get to be in a hurry, and I glaze over that part. As long as stuff isn't crashing before saving, we're doing okay. Because I've definitely been in situations where I've lost big chunks of work before, and that is not fun. That's usually in stuff like, you know, big creation utilities like Unity or Blender or something, where you're making a bunch of changes on your scene or your model or whatever, and then you're like, hey, this is good, I'm gonna go to lunch, and you forget, and then you come back and there was a power outage, and you're like, oh my god, I've lost a half a day. Yeah, it happens. It sucks. Use the save button out there, everybody. Pro tip. That's, I think, Beside. Bam. Yeah. Y'all remember the sunscreen song? If I had one piece of advice to offer for the future, save your work would be it. The long-term benefits of saving your work often have been proved by scientists. Well, okay. Let's do more random stupid debugging by doing this. I can just, whoops. Oh gosh. Description. Actually, here I can just go this. Cool, because we support V1 now also. So I'll just do that. And then here's me doing some other stuff. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, all this other stuff. Just gonna comment out for now. Example messages. Okay, we've got it. We've got it. The character's first message. Yeah, that's fine. We know what we're doing here. We already have that. I'm just gonna comment this out. For now, we're just testing. Testing. I did save, right? Yep. Okay, here. Okay, and then let's do that. Who is that? Wait. OpenAI. Oh, this is in the sample? Is this... Okay, namespace OpenAI. This whole thing should just get commented out, I guess. This shouldn't... This honestly shouldn't even be here. I should just remove this from the project. I'm gonna remove that from the projects because I don't want that to be messing with stuff either. ChatGPT. Yeah, if it's a sample, you can always re-import it. It's better. This doesn't exist anymore. I'm gonna close it. Okay. Ha. Was I using the wrong thing this whole time? That's quite possible. Yeah. Okay. ChatGPT. Okay. This is the one that I want. Okay. I think the reason I had the other one in there was so that it could Mother F. That's where I had the save file and stuff too. Okay. Yeah, I think it tells me it was like you can't undelete stuff now. Yeah, see, I was working in the wrong file, and that's bad. Sigh. Well, at least I learned that that's probably what was going on. Alright. Okay, so we updated that. I'm going to take that to do out. That makes me sad now. Go. Did I have? I probably have a backup copy. Let's go. Dev. Git stats. Assets. Samples. Okay. Let's undelete it. And then I'll copy that stuff back. Oh my gosh. It's right. What are you talking about? I see it. Do I have to go /? Okay. Okay, then let's copy the stuff that we actually care about into the file that we're actually using. And then I'll remove the file that I don't care about. Oh, that was an older version too. I guess I don't have the stuff in here that I had actually added. Okay, well, hey, look. What did we say about saving your work? That's fine. It's not important. I don't care. It was just some debugging stuff. I'm not mad. I'm kind of mad. Well, fine then. I don't want that script. I want my script. Let's add. Big. And shark guide. Set resources. And shark guides. Okay. Chat message received. Let's give it the 11 Labs stuff up. I have to create callback. 11 Labs speak. All right. Womp womp. Okay, move. Okay, so I guess I'll have to create some of those things. Okay, let's copy the stuff here. I've already got my messages and stuff. Yep. Okay, I'll move the height up to the top. for style points. Okay, pin message. Okay, I want a pin message. Okay, and send reply. Here we're appending a message. Messages add and append message. Okay. I should switch this back to GPT-4o again, but whatever, that's fine. 3, I guess, for now. I don't care. Okay, the SwiftUI stuff. Because that came from our other app. Down here. Okay, when we receive it, we're going to call append messages. That's the other thing. Okay. I guess that's fine. God, you know what? I think I had my whole, like, prompt generating script in that other file, too. F. Man. Oh, that sucks. God. Alright. That sucks. A lot. I have to rewrite that stuff too then. Okay. So here we go. Yeah, I'm so dumb. Actually, I wonder if maybe I can grab some stuff out of the build directory. Try to recover it. Let's see what we can do. Let's reverse engineer our own stuff. See if that'll save me any time. Let's see. Where might that live? Template data. Build review the windows. Agent data. Let's see. What DLL is that going to get built into? Assembly C# DLL? Possibly, yeah. Let's see if I can just open this. Okay, what's the .NET? Let's do this. This might be a bit faster. .NET What's the thing I want? It's the JetBrains .peep? Yeah. Resharpeners bundled thing, blah blah blah. Get down. It's probably got some trial. At least, let's give this a go. That's kind of cool. Just, yeah, okay, red. Sure. That's all I want for now. Great, let's go. Done. Great. Okay. Accept. Okay, great. Yeah. Oh, no worries. I accept your terms. Don't need to send usage statistics. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can get. Build. Windows is going to be older. We just built WebGL. So I wonder if there's anything to get out of here. It does say allows assembly? Okay. Possibly. Headers or something. Maybe explore forward. Let's see, anything I can grab here? Streaming assets. This doesn't seem like it, hey. Bummer, okay. What's that? Yeah, so C#. Okay. Okay, ChatGPT. All right. That's just what we have now. This is just opening. Assembly location. Okay, that's the character. So it's got the old character card, character data here. I figured I had the updated stuff in here. Look, why is it giving me this one? Doesn't make sense. That shouldn't be compiled into the Windows DLL at this point. What the heck, bro? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Move. What the heck? Let's see. Is that a different... Is it going into a different assembly, possibly? Samples? No. It should be the root assembly, I think. It's using the file that we have right now, but I don't want it to. Decompiled source. Okay, there we go. That's better. I want the decompiled source. That's what we want. That's better. Okay. Great. Yay. Okay, that's great. So we've got this now. This will save us a bit of time. We lost a little bit of work. Not too bad. Let's put this stuff into ChatGPT. Not samples. I don't want to work in the sample code things. That was my mistake the first time. Chat log, save to file. Okay. All right, there we go. Let's add the things that we added today, file suffix, and format this stuff. Format this stuff again, because it didn't do that for me, and I want this to be a little bit cleaner to read. There's a lot going into this string. 7. File suffix. Okay. Alright. Equals txt. Go. I will have to, I'll have to update this stuff, but that's not too bad. I'll just do that. And I want to make sure stuff is wrapped and curly braces. Just because, like that. Okay, what else do we need to get out of here? send reply and send replies async. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, append message and send replies. Let's copy this stuff. Send reply and append. Cool. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so creating the whole chat completion. All right. All right, anything else? I think that's everything. Yeah, the load character card, I don't think changed. That's the one thing we do still have here. And then start, we're changing a little bit. I think. Right, okay. So basically, start becomes this. Wow. There we go. Okay, because then this I can call from other places. Let's see. Well, only called it from one place here, but yeah. Wanted this to be accessible so that we can potentially use it in other places. Alright, so I think we're kind of back to where we were. Huh. What a pain. That's me being dumb. That's what happens. Don't be dumb, y'all. Don't be like me. Okay, so let's see. Let's keep going to find where our JSON stuff was breaking down. I'm just going to add a little bit of spacing to this stuff. Make it a little bit easier on the eyeballs. This cut out all our nice comments. Okay, so chat message. Message list. Some more, okay. Chat message, okay, like this. Chat message. Why is it doing that? That's a weird thing to see here in this disassembly. Oh. Do I need to do that? I don't know why I would need to do that. That, I think, should still be fine, right? Okay. Generate character card. Okay. JSON. Okay, yeah, here's the stuff. Here's where we want to go and do this. So, alright. let's get back to testing this then. So, loading the character card. Ugh, now I'm all thrown off my groove, my rhythm. I had to go and try to recover stuff. Yikes. That's okay. The thing that we were at was like, okay, we were going to try to test just this really basic version of it. So we wanted to say in our test, so string test JSON. Let's go. That's 2 JSON. And then let's try to go var test obj equals so utility.from JSON. Okay, we're back. Test JSON. Do char card. Okay. All right, let's just try this much, at least. Oh, this still needs to be hooked up to GPT. This is export conversation. Save chat log. And this one is generate character card. Great. Okay, but we're gonna try this bit out. Let's see. Okay, that still fails. What? Okay, so Fuchar. Is it because this stuff is null? Possibly. Let's ask ChatGPT about that then. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so maybe it's like I have to there must be syntax for if a field is optional or required. So if I leave right, because those were null. If I leave a field as null, try to serialize it. Could this cause the problem? Yes, okay. Okay, by default, let's see. So by default does not serialize fields that are null or have default values. These are for integers. Okay. Where the JSON is missing expected fields entering deserialization. Okay. So that could be the thing. To address this, let's assure it has some default value before serialization. To ensure null fields do not cause issues, you can manually handle them in your code. Okay. So let's serialize, yeah. Can I mark Let's see. Do I mark a field as optional for serialization? How does that work? Is that a thing? Do we know? Okay. Behavior. Alright, interesting. Use workarounds. Yeah, okay, so we can use... So here, I guess, would be the reason to use Newtonsoft stuff. Yeah, we can do all sorts of stuff like this. So if it's null, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I guess we can just set... let's just set up all our defaults. Stop. Oh, interesting. Oh, maybe because these are... It's trying to make these properties? Let's see, okay. I wonder, can I just... If it'll do it for me. So for that schema... This one. Okay. Cool. Let's see. Can you make those fields just regular data members instead of properties? That looks better. Okay. Can you assign all of the data members defaults values? Cool. Alrighty. Got me. Alright, let's do this. Jugguard. I don't need this stuff. And I want to break this stuff out. Actually, let's try being cute. I guess first, now that everything's got a default value. There was just a couple things. So depth, I wanted to make an integer. And talkativeness, I wanted to make a string. 0.5. There, something like that. Okay, and then let's go... The other things I can assign, default values, stuff that makes sense here. Spec equals... Let's open one of my chart cards. Jeff's at go. Card V2. And version equals 2.0. creator equals Solves Studios. Cool. Anything else we want to do here? I think that's okay. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Creator, same thing here. Great. Okay. Oh, and add the serialized one again. And as a biographer, make this chart card. Okay. All right. Let's go back here. Okay. Are we good? Looks like we are. Right, let's try that. Now all our JSON fields have defaults. Okay, cool. That was the ticket. I had to make everything, just make sure that it all had defaults. So now if I deserialize, cool. Test obj is working. Huzzah. Great. All right, so that works. That's great. Cool. Char card.data. No? Why? What's what class? Char card. Data. Yeah? Oops. Oh, because that's why. Great. Okay, so let's do some prompt engineering then. Let's write those prompts out again, since those are the things that we lost. Okay, and here let's go uncomment that. The debug stuff. Let's comment that out now. Don't need that. Okay, and then in the generate character card, here's where we wanted to add a little bit. Create a JSON formatted character card with the user using the following schema and the user provided child log. Generate raw JSON only. Do not format with Markdown. Okay, that's the first instruction we have to add. And then we have to add a little bit more for, let's see, a little bit more for the system message. Oh yeah, let's go put that together. So we got like that. Content equals. Okay, that's irritating. So let's just, I'm going to copy. Do that, make it easier to delete this string. All right, and then I can give it the instructions in the description field. Put your summary. Let's see. I'll put summary. Created summary into the description field. All right, Cypher. Have a good night, my friends. Enjoy your weekends, and hope to see you back here next week. Enjoy. I'm gonna keep forging forward with some prompt engineering. All right, what were the other fields that we cared about? We'll fill this out again. That's description. Okay, personality. Defeat Jasonville. I think we did. We got the Jason. We got the Jason stuff figured out, so that's great. And yeah, now we're back on to doing real stuff. So I think it's good. We're back on track. We got a little bit off track, but we're good again. Into the personality fields, put a short description of maximum 1 sentence description into the personality field. Then let's see what else. Oh, for the message example, put the, what did I say? The raw chat log into the mess example field, starting with start. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. I think that's good. Cool. And then I think I had some other stuff in there too, but now that I'm actually doing the JSON deserialization, that's probably sufficient. Then we can do the rest of it just kind of by hand. Oh, that's a sick goat emote. I love that one. That's awesome. Okay. Generate character card. And then save the file. Shoot, there is one thing missing, I think, in save to file. Because we didn't get the stuff. I think that was in ChatGPT, though, that I asked this for something somewhere else. Fire for JSON. Download files from WebGL. Sorry, but okay. Download. I'm asking. Okay, here. This is what I wanted. Create a JavaScript plugin. Yeah, this is what we did. Add the JavaScript plugin to your Unity project. So this should still be there. What do we call it? Let's find out. That's in plugins. WebGL file saver. Okay. Download file, so it's like that. So I needed to do the DLL import. Like this. Do this. And this is where we also wanted to go debug log. Shit. Oops. Shit. Oh my gosh. Shit. GPT. Wrote file. Class path. Okay. And then here's the thing we got to import. I guess I'll do that right above. That's okay. And we'll do it like this if Unity WebGL and not Unity Editor. Okay. What else did I ask? On save button, click save file. Okay, and then I had other questions. But basically, merge into library, download file, that's the thing. So let's see, here we said merge into library, blah, blah, blah. Unity save. Content name MIME type. I think that's what we want. Array size name, okay. This is what we want. Alright, and then in the ChatGPT example, so they're saying download file, and it has function file name content. And here we have content name MIME type. Private, so let's call it private static extern void Unity save. It's got string content, string name, and string MIME type, like so. Like that. Okay. File saver supported. Cool. Okay. Blah blah blah. Click function. I think this all looks right. Save as blob. Let's see, what is, okay, save as blob. Blob string. Blob.type, use application octet stream. What's the MIME type? JSON MIME type. Application/JSON. Okay. This. Actually, I guess I can go file suffix JSON. Application JSON. Else. What's raw text? Plain text. Oops. No, that's not what I want. My type for plain text. Oh my god. Plain text. Generic binary data. Okay, that's fine. Text. / plain. Okay. That's the other one. So let's do that. Else. Text / plain. Alright. Okay. Cool. Maybe that'll work. Let's try running. Okay. Speak. Why are we speaking? I thought that was turned off. Okay. Speak. Where did that come from then? Okay, so we've got the character card. I feel like we should be adding... Oh, the first message? Okay, so we also want to append this message, yeah? Message. First message. Hi. Like that. And then we're calling invoke, which, yeah, that's causing us to speak. And then it'll unlab CTS. Processing message, and then we start coroutine. Okay. So, and then we break out here. All right, cool. So that's actually okay. That I think is good. But actually, maybe instead of doing this here, we want to exit out even sooner. We don't even want to log this. So we're going to go if not enable TTS return. There we go. So we won't even get that far. We won't say we're processing it if we're not processing it. What you talking about? Okay. This stuff is not set up. Let's set that up. Input field. The button, that's the send button. Okay, that's you. Scroll bar. That's my scroll bar. Oh, it wants the whole scroll rect. Okay. Sent and received. Okay, there's probably prefabs for those. Yes. Received message. Sent message. Okay. Let's try that. Great. All right, good. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now let's try talking to it again. This Deep Soul will be a representation of myself, and it will be interacting with Twitch chat. That should automatically send. Send. I feel like that didn't send. Whisper? Ah. So, utterance detected. Processing complete. I forgot what we want to do here, but this is going to be... So, utterance detected. We're going to go ChatGPT. Send reply. String, no, it doesn't want to do that. Let's see. Okay, I gotta figure out that connection again then. Okay, so whisper. Detected. I want to send this message to ChatGPT. It's a pen message. Is that what I want? Just call it a pen message? That's private. I think if I just make this public. Add. Oh no, that's. So I want to add reply. I want to. Add reply as role user. Okay, that I think is what I want. I want to add reply. Okay, cool. Oh, it got it. Great. And then processing complete. So on microphone listening. Oh, so no, other some software. Feel safe as you talk, since you don't seem to be revolted by AI tech. Give me lyrics. Yeah, it's true. I know some people are definitely revolted by AI tech. Like, I'm not about to talk to Irish John about AI. I know he's super anti-AI tech. But yeah, Suno is rad. I love it. You've been feeding lyrics and solid music. I'm not sure how to describe the experience. I'm excited hearing music. Just wondering if I'm robbing some of the experience of trying to come up with music to pair with the lyrics. So, like, the way I look at all of this stuff is just as, like, a really powerful tool. It's like autofill, kind of, or like, you know, the, like, Photoshop intelligent background. Like, before we had, the transformer networks doing generative AI, we had simpler AI algorithms, you know, based on older techniques that were doing this stuff. Yeah, like Photoshop intelligent background or intelligent removal kind of stuff. That was using like pattern matching and heuristics and that kind of stuff to just make it faster to create stuff. And that's kind of how I look at even tools like Suno and Udio for music. I think it's like a starting point, right? There's often a lot of like challenge starting from a blank canvas. You know, everyone's kind of had that where you're just staring at a blank screen and being like, what do I create? So I think it's really nice to have some tools like that available. You can be like, give me some music, and use it to inspire you yourself. You know, maybe use some of it directly, like drop it in your DAW of choice, and kind of go with that, or be like, hey, this is neat. I'm gonna jam over top of it. You know, use it as like a background track for jamming. I think there's so much potential for that kind of stuff. Yeah. Now that I'm using it as a tool to learn the music composition and overall creation, I'm also being exposed to the music that it's generating. I'm really liking some of the stuff it makes. So it might keep me from going a different direction with the lyrics. Yeah. It's true. I mean, I feel like that's the case in any creative process, though. You know, even if you had just like another collaborator that you were working with to create the music, it's like once you get somebody's track back, like even if it's, you know, you got like a bass player or something and you get your bass track back, that will kind of limit the directions that you go from there, just because you've already kind of got like a groove down now. So I feel like it's kind of the same thing, but it's also fun to just kind of hit, you know, like new seed, randomize, like see what we get. And, you know, maybe something just totally resonates with you. Yeah, and it's just super fun. I definitely have created a handful of tracks. Yeah, I've used Udio. I liked that one just a little bit more than Suno, but they're both pretty similar, and it's just super fun. I've created a few tracks like for my partner. Things do resonate. There's one that I don't want to change at all. I just want to clean it up. Totally, yeah. But even I think just like the cleanup process is creativity in itself. Okay, I'm saying, so let me just see where I'm calling this stuff. I said I should do the chat completion at the point that I call processing completed. Whisper. Why did I need to have two things? I don't remember why I had two events. So if this one is processing, buffer in utterance. Somewhere in here I have to stop stuff, yeah. With that, taking the songs I like, putting them into Fruity Loops, composing, arranging, mixing. Yeah, helping you learn how to do sound engineering processing to make a simple cinematic whoosh hit. Yeah, man, sound and audio is super fun. Like, the whole early part of my career was dedicated to doing audio programming, actually, and like signal processing a little bit more generally, with the idea of like interactive music and interactive audio. So I love that stuff. I think it's really cool. And there's like, it's a huge rabbit hole, and it's a huge art unto itself. So, send reply. So we get the message. So that's this. And we call add message. So we're just adding it to the list. Okay, right. And then when processing is complete, then we want to send the chat completion. That's what I said. So, ChatGPT, get chat log, send reply. That's why we have public async void. Send replies async. Okay. So let's do that. Add reply and then send reply. Send replies, plural. What's that? Send reply. I'll send replies async. Well, I don't think I need that actually. Okay, let's give this a shot. So very fun. Do you mind sitting there holding a mic up to everything, tapping a thing, hitting things? Oh yeah, dude. Like I said, I worked in interactive audio in games, so I love that. I worked pretty closely with sound designers who were super into that stuff. So I'm used to people doing, like, walking around with sound recorders, recording all sorts of weird stuff to add into video games. Man, Foley as an art is nuts. Just like all sorts of weird stuff you can record to make it sound like things is just, it's so cool. I think it's an art for sure. I get excited about it too, One Lion, no worries. Yep, technical term for it. Yeah, it's F-O-L-E-Y, Foley. And I don't remember the etymology of it. I think it's named after a dude. What are we doing? Okay, let's try this. Okay. I'm creating a representation of myself for use with Twitch chat. Okay, I added that twice. Let's dive into it. Okay, cool. But that's good. Let's export conversation. Wrote. Okay, let's check out that file. There we go, and that's app data, local low, %, local app data. And I want not local, but local low. Salsa Studios, all one word, AI agent. And then the latest one, chatlog67. Yeah, okay. It's adding that twice. So let's just... Pats, I'm your 100th follower. Thank you, Game Dev. Amazing. What's up? Vibes. I love it. How you doing? Welcome to the channel. You're bringing the vibes with you. Awesome vibes. Yeah, doing much better. We had a little hiccup today. We lost a little bit of work along the way because I'm terrible and I forgot to save my stuff. But it's okay, we're back, and now we're feeling awesome again. We're working on some AI chat avatar stuff. So the idea is we've got an agent that will interview you about your likes, dislikes, your whole life, to create a digital twin of you that you can interact with then later on. With the idea being, when you're not here, when you've passed away, you can preserve your memories, your legacy for generations. And we're doing it in Unity so that we can create these avatars and interact in full scale in mixed reality as well. So we're not focusing too much on that this stream. We're doing more of the brain part of it this stream. But we do work on Apple Vision Pro pretty frequently on our channel as well. How about you? What are you up to? Just watched Archive this past weekend. I've heard people talking about that. I haven't had a chance to watch it yet. Is it recommended, One Lion? Good show? What did it look like for you? Okay. Well, here, before we've got one issue we'll need to fix, and that's the double messaging. But let's try downloading first, and let's see if we can get this to work, if that's going to work. I know it took a little bit. Here we go. Great. It's good if you like sci-fi, which I do. A little slow moving, definitely my speed. Very cool. All right, well, I will have to check it out in that case. Sci-fi is definitely something that is up my alley. Where's the newest one? Oh, cool. Awesome. And we're creating it as a JSON file now, too. Fantastic. Starts. Okay. Here we go. Is this looking good? This is looking good. Cool. Oh, yeah. We'll have to do a little bit of fix-up on this stuff, but I think it did follow our instructions. It put the chat log into messaging sample, put a summary into description. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I mean, that'll be better if I actually, like, add some stuff in here. But I didn't. But I think it's doing okay. Awesome. So we've got a couple things that we're going to do here. So we want to check out where we were adding, where that second one came from. If I've been game dev, if you're working on a game, still figuring out, looking at old pictures, screenshots, oldest games to have ideas. Ah, cool. What kind of, do you have any thoughts on like genre or theme or anything yet? Or alternatively, what are the screenshots you're looking at? What other games have you worked on? Okay, I'm going to stop. And, alright, number one, we can, when we go to export stuff, save to file. Do this here. Okay, so before saving to file, save chat log. Okay, chat log is fine. That's just raw. Let's go back. GPT save to file. This is, okay, generate character cart. Here's where we want to do a little bit of JSON parsing. So we'll get back to doing our JSON. So, alright, message content trim. So here's where we started to add stuff earlier and lost a bit of time, but we're going to re-add it. So let's go. Okay, set manual fields. And then replace names. All right. The first thing is parse to JSON. Okay. So the thing we got back, this is the JSON that was summarized, that was generated by ChatGPT. So we want to go, we can call it var character objects equals JSON utility dot from JSON, and it is a char card. Okay, and we're going to give it message content. All right. I guess from JSON. All right, and then char objects. So here's the few things that we know that we want to set, like spec. So some of these things are always going to be constant. Spec is this spec. Object.spec version, and that's 2.0. Again, we're using the character card 2.0 format for this stuff, which is kind of standardized-ish in AI character generation. Anything else that we know we need to set manually? I think that's okay. Okay. Replace names. Look at my old projects. Unity, because it's the first program I've used. Nice. Yeah, Unity is fun. Say it's the first program you've used, though. What others have you used? Are you on a different engine now? Message. So we're going to do this for both message and data message. Example equals string.replace. Let's go. I think I got to do this. Charge. This example.replace. Here we go. Old string. Okay. And so here's the thing we looked at earlier. We're going to replace user with char. Godot now. Working with a friends on a game and by myself in Unity. Very cool. Godot, I haven't used myself. How do you find it? Is it about the same as Unity? Is user with char. And then replace that. Assistant with user. Okay, great. And then I can just go charge.data.messExample equals let's do that. Found it in here, GodotEngine.org. Yeah, I've definitely come across it before. I just mean, like, how do you how is it in your opinion? Very good. Okay, cool. Awesome. That's good review. Better than Unity? Worse than Unity? But close? Or how's it compare? And what features? What do you like about it? Okay, I think that's going to do the thing. To make menus is easier. Nice. Okay, that's huge. Yeah, the UI system in Unity is a pain in the butt. That I know for sure. Oh no, so now I want to go... Not that. I want to reserialize this, actually. How does the UI system work in Godot? What makes it so good? JSON. What is it? JSON utility? .to JSON. Great. Char. Like that. Great. So reserialize that guy out. I don't even know. Nice. It just is. That's cool. I guess, yeah, to be fair, it's not hard to be a lot better than Unity's UI system. Great. Okay, one last thing I want to do here is just figure out where that duplicate entry was coming from. So let's add a breakpoint here. And let's figure that out, and then we can correct that issue. And that's probably going to be about it. Okay. That one's fine. That's the initial one. Hey, I'm creating an avatar of myself for use with Twitch chat. Alright, so let's see. Where's my call stack? Alright. I actually prefer this over on this side. Sped up. Okay. So this is from invocable call Unity event. Which one is it invoking? So it's calling add reply, append message, and then let's hit run. I'm calling add reply twice. Oh, from send reply. Okay, gotcha. So that's why I had this guy here. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So let's start. Oops. Let's just fix that. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Where's my... There it is. Visual Studio. Okay. So we're going to use that function, actually. Where'd it go? This one? Send replies. And then the thing that was the issue is in our speech to text. We said add reply. And then that was doing the UI update. So here, we just want to say send replies. And probably there's going to be a better way. I'm going to maybe refactor this stuff later, but for now that should work. Let's see. Okay. I'm creating this avatar for myself to interact with Twitch chat. Awesome. Memorable moments. Okay, so let's see. If I download now, it'll do its thing. I'm going to export also. There we go. Cool. I got both of those files. Great, that looks good. Assistant. And user. Okay. And then if I look at this one, selection. Let me right-click, format selection. There we go. Oh, talkativeness. That's probably not great. Cool. Description. Chat. Great. Yep, that's good. That's all I gave it, so it's doing a good job. First message. Hello, nice to meet you. Oh, first message, we'll have to switch that also. But that's okay. For now, this looks pretty good. Start. It's doing what I told it to do. And it looks like this works. So character. User. No, that's thoughtful. It's fascinating. Interesting. So I guess it didn't add the first message, which I would have liked, but that's okay. Cool, but I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good for now. Awesome. So that right now is our interview system. It's generating the real JSON. That's ready to feed now directly into one of the interaction models that we have to start interacting with. So that will be next time. For now, we're about to wrap up. So thanks everyone for popping by the stream today. It's time for One Lion to do dinner. Thanks for coming by, One Lion. Enjoy your dinner. I hope you figured it out at this point. Vibing Game Dev, great to see you on the stream. Nice to meet you. Good luck figuring out where you want to take your game next time. We are on here weekly on Fridays. So we'll be back next week. Same bat time, same bat channel. Hope to see you all back. Until then. Here, there we go. I'll just make myself full screen for now. Hope you have a great week. Enjoy your projects. Be good to each other. And I'll see you all next week. Later.